Are you tired of losing track of how a Wikipedia article changes over time? Learn how to pull up the exact revision history for any article in under 30 seconds. Start by typing any article name, then open the page and click the View History tab to see its full timeline of edits. Let's walk through each step. Type the article title in the search bar. Once you start typing, a list of suggestions appears below the search bar. Go ahead and click on the FIFA World Cup entry to open its full page. Now that the article is open, look for the View History tab near the top and click it to see how this page has changed over time. And there you go. You're now viewing that article's view history, a full timeline of past revisions. Happy exploring! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.